Hi, I'm going to show you how to open a document that you've purchased in Adobe so that you can make sure that you can use all of the features, like if you have editable fields that you're trying to edit and the fonts don't work, and making sure that you can use those correctly. So I'm going to do it from my store because that I can download things that I have in my store, but you would go to your purchases and download it from there. So I'm just going to download it here. So when I do that, it's going to go down here. And if I just clicked on it, it would open it in my browser. So browsers are equipped with a PDF reader. And then that you can open them and you can print and do all those things, but they're not as capable as Adobe Reader would be. And Adobe Reader is going to be where you're going to want to open things when they have those editable fields. Now, Chrome does happen to be able to do the fonts and read that and things like that. And so you might be okay with it, but there might be other things on there that you're not going to be able to do. So I'm going to show you how to be able to do that. So if I go back over here, this is in my way here. So I'm just going to go ahead and go out and I'm going to show you where it would be in your documents. Now I'm on a Mac, so you would know how to open your folder if you were on a PC to find where your downloads would be. Okay, so on a Mac, here's where my downloads are. And so I'm going to go down to PDFs. And my PDFs, my default program is Adobe. You may have to change your default program. And you might have to right click and open with, and you might have to choose the program that you open it with. Okay, mine, you can see there, Adobe Acrobat is the default. I have a special one called the DC, but the red one here is the free one. So mine looks like this, but yours would be like this unless you have purchased the one that has more features. So that's why mine looks like this, but I'm just going to click on it because it's going to automatically open in that program. Okay. And then you're going to see the file. And then as you go down, this one has editable fields. And so then it's going to automatically do the font that I chose to put on it. And you don't have to change the fonts or any of those kinds of things. Okay. And that's what the Adobe features are. It's always better to open PDFs in Adobe rather than in your browser because you're going to be able to use, all of the functions, that you would use up here in the printer. Functions are easier, the two-sided, and if you want to print more than one on a page and all that kind of stuff is just, there's just more functions. So that would be a problem solve to a lot of issues that you might have if you're finding that you're opening things in your browser PDF viewer. I hope that helps.